then guys, welcome to another week's video. Hope you're all okay. Not done much work to the van this week, I'll be honest. I've been doing a bit of work outside my front, so yeah, I haven't really had a chance to work on the van, so I'll quickly show you what I'm hoping to get done sort of today, and see how far we get. Again, obviously country's still in lockdown. I'm struggling to get parts. The weather in the UK has been absolutely glorious, so the sun will be in our faces. Yeah, I'm you know, still in lockdown. Obviously the main thing is that everyone's safe and whatnot else, but say I'm struggling to get some parts, so that's what's sort of holding me back now, doing any more sort of bigger jobs on the van. I'll show you what I'm going to do today, and it'll be just stuff I've got now that I've got in the shed, like I in the garage, and I've already got stock of. Try and get those jobs done. So it's still not working at the minute, so again getting very nervous behind, you know, if that's ever going to return back to any sort of normality. So I don't want to go mad on sort of spending either. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do today, I'm going to try, I think would be nice if I can get the sort of underseat or stone guard done to the side of that van. I think it'll be a good job done today. But yeah, party over there next door by the sound of it at 10 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to do that. Hopefully there's a repair there I'm quite nervous about. I'm going to have a look at. Might put some filler in that door as well. But for the now, I just want to go. Mine's rusty there, isn't it? So, you know, if I can stone guard up to that, I'll be happy, man, today, I think. So guys, I'm going to crack on and do a bit of work, the old saying goes. I'll see you all in a sec. I have got to nip out, get some sanding paper from tool station, so there we go. Right guys, I'll just show you what I've been doing. I've been just dropping a very light skimmer filler underneath there where we did that repair the other day. Getting ready to do the stone guard up the sides of the doors. Take the front bumper off, see what's going on underneath there too. Right, and I suppose we best take this front bumper off, see what nasties are lurking behind there. Start that there.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer while we slow.
Well guys, I'm pleasantly surprised that it's absolutely solid, which is good. I've seen some videos of these that are really quite bad, but it's just all surface rust, thank God. So that's good for me. I can just concentrate again. Slip will go up to that line there all the way around now with this stone guard. Same with the bumper, everything under here. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. At least something's gone right today.
Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are...
Yeah guys, it's tricky to get stuff in there, so just noticed. Just use whatever attachments that you can, and just try and get as much of that rust out before we stone guard. Just grind it all out. So I've watched a few people's YouTubes that had to put patches in there, so, and it's quite awkward. There's a guy who did up a camper van years ago. I think it's called Pete's Place or Pete's Place or something like that. He does up a T25. If you haven't seen his videos, check it out. It's quite good as well. He does it from his garage. Finished it now. He's moved on to different things, but he's quite good as well. He did he's just quite nastily gone there. I'm quite pleased with that, to be fair. That's just really, I'd say, surface rust, isn't it? So I'm going to carry on grinding some of that out. Hopefully, like I said today, if I can get all that stone guarded underneath there all round and all up that one side, it'd be a good job for today. Say it is Sunday. So been doing other jobs this week. It's lovely, the weather. So UK weather at the minute is absolutely glorious. I want to let you into a little bit of a secret. So a job I did in the week. It's probably not a bad thing if you want to get rid of your kids for a few days. So I thought I'll start the gardening out the front and have a little project to do the front garden. First swing of the spade straight through the internet cable. So I had no internet for 3 days. So obviously the kids can't live in the house if there's no internet. So they went to their nan's for a couple of days. So you know, just bear that in mind if you want your mother-in-law or whatever to have your kids go through the internet cable with a spade. Gutted when I did it, to be fair. First swing of the spade, pretty much straight through the Virgin cable and all the telly and the internet. So thought I'd just share that with you. It's not van related, but it's just other crap I've done this week. So I've just I've ground all the rust out, pretty good, to be fair, like you've just saw. And I've just along that seam there just put some more of that tiger seal. And for the main reason is I was just going to stone chip straight over it, but on these vans, and if you've got one or you're thinking of getting one, when it rains, the water just sits in there, like really puddles in there, and it's in there for ages. So you know, I have seen a lot of these go, like I've just mentioned. I think that's a good job to like seal it all in there as well before you even stone garden anything. You want that to be pretty watertight, say water puddles up in there. It's just a channel, I think you can see, and the water just sits all along in there. And if it's obviously on a flat ground, it doesn't seem to run off anywhere either, so it just sits there, which obviously on these vans are going to cause you issues with rust and whatnot else. So I'm going to do that as well. So guys, I'm just putting the last sort of skimmer filler everywhere before I do this stone guarding. I don't know if you've all noticed with my van, and I'll just quickly explain, and I think I'm going to carry on. So bottoms of the doors there, that patch of filler there, and that patch of filler I'm putting in there. If you've noticed from this side of the van, all the seams have been filled over, which obviously is not original, but I'll be honest, yeah, I quite like it on the van. I'm not gonna lie, I think it looks quite nice. So my only dilemma is I should take you around to the opposite side and quickly show you. Is seams already was done there when I had the van. I think that's the only seam down the front. Then obviously I'll put this rear quarter on, so there's now a seam there which is not there the other side, and a seam across there. Take you closer. Seam all down there, seam across there. So I think what I'm going to do just to match it up to the other side is I'm going to fill over those seams and have it smooth. I say, no, don't shoot me, I know it's not original, which is my van, so I'm just gonna carry on with that. I think she looks quite nice with no sort of seams on. So as I say, it's mine. I'm gonna carry on doing that. So I'm almost to the stage now of putting this stone guard on down this bottom end. I'll show you what you need to do that. Just bear with me, guys. Right then guys, so filler work's all done. First stage then, stone guarding. I'm gonna have to give the panel a bit of a clean, so we use what we call a panel wipe. Right then guys, stage 2, mask up to the line where you want your stone guard to go up to. I'll show you. Everywhere's masked up. Just pull the compressor out now and I'll show you what you're going to need. Just bear with me just a second guys. Right then, two tools you're going to need for the job then. You're going to need an undercoat gun. This particular one was about £10. You can also use it has got a tube as well. You can always use it for putting like a wax oil in as well. So you're going to need one of those, and then you're also going to need some underbody coating or stone guard or stone chip. I think it comes in about 3 colours: white, grey and black. Obviously I've chose the grey just so you can paint over it really. And you are going to need a compressor for this process. I don't think they do it in an aerosol, but yeah, they maybe do. If they do, leave it in the comments below. But these vary in price massively. £6 I paid for these from one paint supply, but the range, see them on eBay and Amazon going up to like £10. That's way too expensive, so you need to be getting these about £6. It's quite a big jug, quite a big tub. I bought 2 because I'm only doing this one side in the front today. Obviously I'm not ready to do the opposite side yet, so I'm going to get all that set up now and get the compressor on, and then I'll see what it's like putting it on. It's been a long time since I've done it, and it's a long time since I've used it, so we'll see how it turns out. Guys, that's what it should look like when it's all finished. See, I've gone to that line there. You can see underneath. We'll show you what the repair's like now. So that's that repair now, all underneath the bottom, stone guarded, repaired, small skimmer filler, and that's the finish you get with it. It is, as I remember. I think possibly when you come to paint your vans, you might be able to just knock a bit of the top off there to make it a little bit more smoother. As you say, I'm not a massive fan of the stuff. Never was when I used to work in the motor trade. I would like to have sort of a smooth line all the way down the van, but like I say, if I was building this as a show camper, I may have kept it all smooth, but I'm not. My intentions is to use it and use it a lot and go camping in it and go travelling in it a lot. But yeah, you have paint over it anyway, so it'll all be the same colour as the van. Quickly show you the front before we finish. great for stuff like that though, that you don't see. Behind bumpers, stuff like that, it's bulletproof, the stuff is, it's a nightmare to get off, so just bear that in mind when you put it on. Yeah guys, job done. It's knocking on now, it's late on, well it's not late on, it's about 5 o'clock Sunday. I want to see if I can get this video all upload ready. So once again, thank you all for watching. If you like the videos, hit the like button, and please leave a comment, and if you're new to the channel and you've managed to get right through to the end, consider subscribing. Join me, so try and put a video on every week of my progress of VW Poly Grey. So guys, thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching. Catch you all next week.